In the construction business, every foundation must be solid, just like the equipment you depend on day in and day out. Introducing the Temared Builder series, engineered to keep your business moving forward. These are more than trailers. They are powerful tools designed for strength and precision, perfect for transporting mini excavators and heavy equipment. At the heart of every builder trailer lies a durable, fully welded construction. It's our guarantee of reliability and your certainty that valuable machinery will get where it needs to go. With a gross vehicle weight rating from 1.8 to a mighty 3.5 tons, you are in complete command of every load. We understand your work, which is why we've integrated professional solutions like the excavator bucket support to protect your machine during transit. Choose the solid, full-width ramp assisted by gas struts for effortless lifting and lowering, or opt for 2 versatile aluminum ramps. Customize the trailer for your specific jobs with a choice of several reinforced flooring materials. With Temared Builder, there is no room for compromise. There is only strength, control, and the power to drive your business forward.